Welcome back to the another part of this AutoCAD series. So in today's lesson, we'll be learning about erase tool, explode tool and offset tool. So let's start with the erase tool. You can find erase tool here in the modify panel of home tab, or you can simply use its command alias erase and press enter. So it is asking me to select the object that I need to erase. So I click on this rectangle and whole rectangle is being erased. If I click on this circle, whole circle is being erased. Line, whole line is being erased. If I've selected all this, just press enter or escape to erase the lines, rectangle or circle that I have created. I'll just undo it for now because I want to show you the difference between trim and circle. As erase tool, one complete rectangle got erased at once, while using the trim tools only the part of it gets erased, just one side, this side, this side. If I'll click on it, simply one part gets erased, but in case of erase tool, whole rectangle gets erased at once. So that's all. I hope you've got it. And now let's start with another one, that will be explode. Let's delete this line and circle. So you can see when I'll select this rectangle, everything gets selected at once. So if I want to select this side of the only one side of rectangle at once, or this side only one side, then I can use explode tool for that. For that I can simply click here in the explode, or you can use its command, that is X, and press enter. So here you can see I have exploded this rectangle. So if I click on this rectangle, only one side of rectangle is being selected now. So if I have to select the whole rectangle, I need to select every side of this rectangle. And if I want to join it again, just simply use join tool, that is J, and your rectangle is joined again. So let's escape it. And the next one here is offset tool. You can simply activate the offset tool by clicking here or using its command O and press enter. And after activating the tool, the command line is asking me to specify the offset distance. So I'll take 2 for now and press enter. So I'll click on this rectangle and I need to offset this rectangle outside. Click on it. So now it's offset. This rectangle is offsetted outside. So let's just learn more. Maybe I want to offset this circle also. Click on this, press O, enter, and I am again offsetting this circle outward. So again I have done this. So in case of buildings or 2D plans, we have the wall distance of 9 inches and in wall of 4 inches. So we can use the offset tool while creating the walls or anything that you can do. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep designing, and I'll see you in the next video. Share your thoughts or questions below, and let's keep growing as a community. Thank you.